74 degrees in National City, 70 in Carlsbad. Oceanside, you're at 72 degrees right now. Like I said yesterday, we still have a bit of that easterly wind in place, but it's not terribly windy today, averaging 15-20 miles per hour at times, which is not bad, but it is keeping things very dry. Now, one of the changes we're going to see is high pressure will start to break down. It'll be shifting to the east, and you can already see some of those clouds building across northern California. We're going to see some of those clouds move into San Diego as well by tomorrow afternoon. Are going to range between a quarter of an inch to up to an inch of rain from the coast into the valleys, and for the mountains is going to be the potential for snow levels to go down to 4,000 feet, right around 5,000 feet or higher. Most likely snow accumulations will range between 3 and 6 inches. So if you got really excited last week about the snow and you want to check it out again, or you want to see it for the first time, we have more on the way. In the deserts, temperatures will stay mild, but also cooling down this weekend into the low 70s. You can see some of the clouds in place to the north. This is where the storm is. So in between, there are some clear skies, which means tomorrow it may not be cloudy the entire day. And there's going to be a lot of waiting for the storm because it's going to be at nighttime when we'll see the best chance for those showers. So tomorrow, still dry, but increasingly windy through the afternoon. Best chance for showers, thunderstorms will be on Friday, and then those chances will start to go back down over the weekend, but the chance will continue. Again, the timing, Thursday night, likely for the morning hours, expecting anywhere from a quarter of an inch to just about 3/4 of an inch. And we may have to bump up those numbers because the confidence is looking a little bit better. And I'll show you our future cast. We have a winter storm watch due to the wind and the snow levels dropping all the way down to 4,000 feet. That means areas like Julian could see anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of snow. A wind advisory starting at noon tomorrow, extending from the mountains into the deserts, where the winds could gust as high as 50 to 70 miles per hour around all the way through the weekend. Low pressure system still to the north, and there's already a few bands of moisture that are developing just offshore. We'll see some of that rain most likely late tonight. We may see some prefrontal showers, but the bulk of it is going to be after midnight. As we look at the chances here, after 11 p.m., the chances will go up, and they will continue into tomorrow with some possible isolated thunderstorms. And as you can see, our county is in colors, and that just means we have a lot of advisories. A high reserve advisory for the coast with moving very, very fast. This line of rain has been moving so quickly, it's going to be in LA in a matter of time, probably within the next hour. The chance of rain for us will be after 11 p.m. But sometimes before the main front moves in, there's what we call prefrontal moisture, which could lead to some light spotty showers, and that is a possibility. But again, the best chance will be after 11 p.m. There's a lot of colors. What's going on in the county? We have a high surf advisory for our coastal community, expecting elevated surf. So for anyone who's trying to see those bioluminescent, get a few breaks or dry breaks. Winter weather expected for our mountains with the heaviest snow starting Saturday night. It'll be light during the day tomorrow. And a wind advisory for our deserts expected to continue through Sunday. The winds already have been gusting. They will continue to do that, averaging close to 50 miles per hour. But when they peak, they could gust up to 70 miles per hour. We're going to be drier next week, so the bulk of it is going to be through the weekend. On Sunday, we'll start to dry out. Maybe a few lingering showers early in the morning. And you can see them, they're kind of lining up. What they do is they line up parallel to each other, and as you look up, you're probably going to see them. That happens as the same wind flow pattern develops, and you can see it over the water. That's basically what you're seeing on that image. So when you look at the satellite and radar, maybe you're playing around with this for your kids. You can show them what is happening outside and also what's happening when you look at the outside of our region. To the north, another storm system on the way. This one is going to be arriving by tomorrow. It'll bring more rain and definitely more snow. It'll be excited. I have enough time so I can show you. So if you're headed out to the concert, I know we talked about it already. This is what you can expect for Garth Brooks, expecting partly cloudy skies at 5, but by 9 o'clock, towards the end of the concert, most likely there could be some light showers. So you still want to pack those jackets, the umbrellas perhaps, but you're not going to need them the entire time. Temperatures will be recovering next week, closer to heavier, and I know they lifted the requirement for chains in the mountains, but that could change tomorrow evening, so make sure to stay tuned to 10 News. Well, here's the good news. Tomorrow you get another nice day, Steve. So don't just spend it sitting in a chair, please. Get outside, enjoy the fresh air. Waters since yesterday have been in a warming pattern, and the difference is about 5 degrees in Oceanside and Escondido, 8 degrees better in Ramona, and about 2 degrees higher in San Diego. The temperatures across the county are in the 60s, but it's going to be another chilly night. It was quite chilly this morning. Expect similar conditions, just a little bit better by a couple of degrees. And even though in El Cajon and for Oceanside, it is going to be that cold, around 39 degrees by early morning. As we break it down day by day, in our 7-day forecast, 67 degrees on your Tuesday. We gust up to 40 miles per hour, so a little bit stronger as we go towards the end of the week. The winds shift again Thursday night into Friday out of the east, and that's going to bring mild weather also this weekend with high pressure in place. Look at our deserts. You'll average around 69 degrees on Saturday. We'll see a few clouds, but climbing to the 80s by Sunday.